Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find these links. You can join free Telegram and you can get the robot if you just want to make money without doing anything, okay? If you want slow, steady profits, then go and get this robot. And if you want to talk to me, then you can book one-to-one consultation. Let's get back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with a weekly time frame. Weekly looks like we have engulfing blue candles, so we might be going up. Coming back to daily time frame, daily we have not broken this low yet, so we are still in the uptrend. So this was your new high, then pull back, and we still have. So this high has to be, has to break in daily to go up. Coming back to 4 hour again, the zone is drawn. You can see my rectangle here. And we will decide whatever happens. If the price is closing above this zone with momentum, we go long. If it breaks my zone below, then we go short. So right now we are in the zone consolidating. We have no clear bias, but that is why this zone is there consolidating, as you can see. So if we break above the zone, bull, or we go down, then we go down. Okay, so right now we do nothing, we just wait. So that's Euro USD. We are in the uptrend officially still, but we are consolidating. So just wait and watch and then decide. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like and share. If you want to talk to me, you can book consultation. If you just want to print money by doing nothing, get the robot and thank me later. Subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next videos.